So what I'm gonna do here, just www.google.com/forms. Okay, so I have to enter with my account. This is my account, Gmail account. So means you have to have a Gmail account because it's a Google service. Okay, and then I have to write or to insert the password. Okay. So this is the main page that I'm gonna get. Clear? Please, if you get lost, just let me know. So suppose that I'd like really to get a feedback of my students. It's not a quiz. It's not a quiz, just feedback on something. Let us say. Quiz also we can do it. So try to press the plus icon here. The plus. So this is the plus. And then here, title the form. Let us say it's lecture 1. And then here you can write the description. Description anything. For example, please use this task card to answer all the following questions. Done. And then here, what kind of question that you have? Okay, let us start first with multiple choices. You'd like really to see, or true and false. You'd like to check true and false? That's fine, true and false. So the first question is true and false. So I'm gonna see here, for example here, active learning, for example, can promote deep learning. As an example, yeah. By the way, the default here is the multiple choices. Okay, that's fine. So the first option that I do have, I'm gonna write true or false. Or before that, you may need really to ask for their names or their IDs, right? Yeah. You'd like really to make that before this question? Okay, this is a question, and this question should be answered. So if it is mandatory to be answered, so this one should be on. Okay? Now they have to. And then they will see the star with the question in there. If they did not answer this question, they cannot submit. Great. Suppose that I'd like really to ask for their names or ID. So their names. So I'm going to add here the plus here. Add question. So this is the question. So I'm going to write, let us say, name. I need their name or ID. But also, it should be short answer. It's not multiple choices, right? It's not multiple choices. It's not paragraph, because there is no need really for paragraph. Even you can use paragraph. It's okay. It's not multiple choices. It's not something else. So I can just select the short answer. Okay? And then, if it is mandatory for your student really to write their names, although it's not mandatory to be in every assessment, please, as I mentioned. Okay? So I have to turn this one on. If not, so leave it. So make it optional. That's fine? That's fine. But this one should be the first question, right? So I can drag it like this. Okay? So this is the name. And this is the question, true and false. Tell me, What kind of question that you'd like really to have? Huh? Just to get feedback. It's not an exam, it's not a quiz, or an exam even, or a quiz, but also please try to avoid that. طيب ها, next, you need another question? What kind of questions? You'd like really to ask them about their satisfaction level, let us say. Yeah, whether you, for example, this activity is efficient, let us say. Whether they strongly disagree or agree or something like that, right? How to do that? Since this question with so many options in there, we can go with something known in here. So instead of multiple choices, please, we can use multiple choice grid or trick box grid. It's both the same, but the difference between both of them, it just, instead of having circles, you will have here squares. It's the same. So I'm gonna click this one. So sorry. So here you write your question, or for example here, for example, activity or title. Sorry, activity effectiveness, something like this. So in this case, I'm going to write here any activity. For example, today's activity is efficient. And you'd like really to hear from there, from your students. So in this case here, you can write strongly disagree, neutral, or any scale you like. If you'd like really to stop here, you can stop here. It's not mandatory really to have 5-point scale or something like that. It could be 2, 3, it's up to you. Even 10, it's up to you. Okay? And also here, you can say agree. And then here, strongly agree. طيب, for this one, it's a must. because without answering this question, so you will not get anything in there. Or some of them might answer, but some of them might not. Okay? See, in this one also, they have to answer it, and each row means this question should be answered by one of them. That's fine. So means what? Means if your students by mistake or intentionally selected two of them, they cannot. It's not accepted. One choice only among these ones. Okay? طيب, what else? What kind of questions that you'd like really to have? You'd like them really to write something? Yeah. For example, open-ended question. Open-ended question. Okay? So you can add it. Very simple, huh? Add. Let us say here, suggestions, for example. Any title. And then, or you can ask your question here, please list some suggestions for activity improvement. If you'd like really to hear from all of them, so it should be required. What else? But also it should be paragraph. What else? I'm sure that you are seeking for setting a quiz with the grades, right? Right? You'd like to set a quiz, small quiz with grade, and also to see the grades. There is no need really to disturb yourself to grade all of the tests in the end, although I do not recommend it, but it can be. It can be. I'll show you inshallah later on. خلاص done. And then here what's next? I have to go to setting, and setting here you have 3 menus. The first one is general. If you'd like really to collect their emails, for future contact or something like that, just click in here. If you click in here, so it will be a must for any respondent to add his email in the beginning. So that's why I think in one of the assessment you have to, right? You have to provide me your email in there, right? So it's up to you. So you can click this one. If you'd like a report for your students to be received through their emails, for sure this is good, right? Right? If, for example, your student answered this question by this means, it's better really to have a copy of his answer, at least to save it there for student himself, right? If you are a student and you participate in one of the quizzes, yeah, I'd like really to, as a student, I'd like really to have a copy of that one, right? To keep it in my record. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it like this. So response receipts, but if I can make it with a control that if my student needs it, she should say, yeah, I need it. But also I would recommend really to go with always. You know why? Because I'd like really one copy of his feedback to be available with him. A copy in there. It's okay. It's good. There is another question or another challenge. It's not a challenge, by the way. It's very simple. Sometimes if you ask your students to give you a feedback, he may do it more than once, right? By doing so. If you'd like really to limit the responses to be one per each, so in this case they have to limit to one, but in this case, and this is the only case, that your student should have a Gmail account. Is it difficult? No. In the first lecture, I'm going to ask them, okay, please, by next lecture, kindly please try to get a Gmail account. That's it. And the next time I can play or run my experiment.
This to prevent multiple response from one responder.
Sorry?
This to prevent multiple response from one responder.
Yeah, for one responder. Yes. For example, if you'd like just to get a response from X, a response. Because if you do not click this one, he may be able really to do it twice, 3 times, many times in there, right? Right, next. If you'd like really your student to have the ability to edit their responses, you can click this one. Means, after submission, especially if you are seeking for feedback, if there is a mistake or something like that, student, yeah, no, I had a mistake. Especially if you have strongly disagree and strongly agree, for example. And he feels that instead of clicking the strongly disagree, really he clicked the strongly agree or the vice versa. And it happened yesterday, I think, one of the respondents when I did the assessment for myself. It's not for the deanship, by the way. One of them really, I'm sure that he did it mistakenly, that instead of putting strongly agree, he did strongly disagree. Why? Because I did ask for other questions in there, so I found all the feedbacks were positive. How it comes? And overall satisfaction was 4 or 5 out of 5. How it comes disagree? And you put it like this. You get my point. So in this case, your students will have the ability really to submit it again, edit it and submit it again. So you can click it. You can click this one. Okay, and then please try to save. Again, we have another menu in here. Presentation. The show progress bar. This is if you'd like really to see the progress, especially if you do have many pages in there. Just to say, okay, I finished 20% or 50% of the survey or something like that. So يعني it's up to you. You can click it or not. If you'd like really to shuffle the questions order, this is good if you'd like really to avoid cheating among students, something like that. So the questions can be shuffled in there. And also confirmation message, yeah, you can write thank you, just to be sure that he has submitted his feedback in there. Also save. And then again, the last one in here, the quiz. Would like. Do you like to have for this assessment to be counted as a quiz, to be graded, or with no grades? Okay, leave it now for no grade. Leave it now for no grade. So turn this one off. Make this one off in there. And then by doing so, I have done. خلاص, done. طيب. What's now your next question? I'm sure that you have a question right now. Finished. I finished. Now the form is ready.
My question is how to send this.
Great. Yeah. So this is the normal question. Thank you. How to send it? Yeah. How to share it? That's fine. So how to do that? We have to create the link. We have to create the link, or we have to generate the code. And then with their mobile, like what I did today. How did you get in to the Google survey? By code. Or if you have your laptop with you and you have the slides, you can just click the link and then you can get in, right? Yes.
How you can create the code?
Yeah, this is the point. Now, how to create the link first and then the code. That's fine. This is the normal question. How? Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. Very simple. Send. Okay? No, it's automatic. It's going to be saved automatically. Automatically it's going to be saved. So here just send, please. Are you with me? Excuse me. Yes, send. Okay, I'll do it again. This send. And then try to click this one for link. So this is the link. Or I would recommend you really to shorten the link. Shorten it. Now you can copy it. Now this is the link. I can put it in my slides.
So after copying the link,
خلاص. Then you can paste it anywhere in your handouts. Yeah. For example, I'm gonna share my handouts with my students, right? With my students.
so when the students see this link,
Yeah, so no need. If they have hard copies, they have to write it in their mobile and then they can follow. If they have soft copies, click it and then you can be there. Right? Alternatively, okay, what's the next question then, The code. How to generate the code? Very simple. It's already copied. The link is copied, right? So I'm gonna go here to Google and then I'm gonna search for QR code generator. By the way, one of the best is known as Monkey. Okay, so this is Monkey. Okay, so this is one of the best. It's free, but also here I'm not marketing for this one, please. Okay, but I found it very efficient as well as easy to use. With 3 steps, very simple steps, within few seconds you can generate the code. Okay, so this is the website. Alternatively also, if you are using your mobile, also there are some apps in the store to generate codes, by the way. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go here. By the way, this one can be used for the link, for text, for email, for so many things in here. But now we are just using links, right? So here, I'm gonna what? Paste it. So this is the link. Okay, it's already pasted. And then, so this is the first step. Paste it.
so we paste the link.
Paste the link. Okay, but should be URL, URL, this one in the corner. Okay, and then here, come down create QR code. Yes, create. Now, if you have a very good camera in there, you can scan this one, and then you can get the survey. Can you try that? Or okay. Alternatively, that's fine. Alternatively, you can do what? You can just download it here. Download. It's already there. See يا شباب? This is much better, huh? خلاص. Please try to scan this one. All of you, please try to scan this one. Try to scan this one.
Best way to do the exam.
Sorry?
After all this lecture, the best thing is to do the exam.
We have a quiz, by the way.
Okay.
We have a quiz. Yeah, I'll see your performance. Yeah. But it's ungraded.
But no mark.
No, there is a mark.
As you say,
But
without mark.
it's okay. But for you, for this one, I'm gonna add some marks. Okay. Huh? You got it? Shabab, done? You got it? Have you tried it?
which one هذا؟ which one of this one؟ هذا ولا
الجنريتر.
هي فيه جنريتور، فيه باركود، سكانر، جنريتور. شوف
انا اقول لك كيف تسوي. هنا جيني.
There is no need of downloading it. Even
Yes, you can copy it.
and it's online web available also.
Yes. Okay, here you can write هذا انترنت or الاب؟
ابل ستور.
لا روح على الانترنت مباشرة.
أوه.
من الانترنت. خلاص. So what about this one? You get it? Means perfect, right? Perfect. طيب, now the question is, the next normal question. What about if I'd like really to give them some sort of reward? I'm not gonna grade it, but I'm gonna make it with grades in there, but just to receive message that it's correct or not or something like this. Instead of giving them some questions with multiple answers in there, so make it interactive with their mobiles, okay? So also we can do that. How to do that? By the way, this one, once you have this one, right click and then you can copy it. Great. Right click and then you can copy it and then you can paste it in your slides. طيب, now what about the quizzes? So it's in here. Okay, I said this one is okay. By the way, I can go back in here and then I have to rename it. Rename. So I'm gonna write it lecture, let's just say lecture 1 fall 2018. خلاص, to be used directly in the coming semester. Okay, and then here, okay, that's fine. How to create a quiz? So here the quiz, blank quiz. Here you can write anything. Quiz number 1. Description also you can write anything. Okay, in there please use this task card to do this and this and this. And regarding the questions, if you'd like really to have graded questions provided with the correct answer, and incorrect answers should be multiple choices or true and false or something like this. Okay, because it's difficult really to go with the open-ended things, right? Open-ended things cannot be graded with any system unless you have all the possibilities in there. So here multiple choices. Let us say this is your question. Let us say which learning method is more efficient. And here let us say passive. Oh, sorry. And here after that active. Okay. طيب now it should be, if you'd like really to add names, خلاص, you can add a name for that one. This one should be a must, right? You'd like really to receive feedback from all of your students. And then here, press the answer key. Answer key. This is the answer key. So, which one is correct, huh? They don't want to get the answer? Okay, yeah, good. You know what I'm gonna do in this way, in this way. So I'm gonna do here, I don't know. That's fine. Yeah, thank you. So here, answer key. So which one is correct? Which reading method is more efficient? Passive, isn't it? Passive? I know that, خلاص. Your battery is is almost off. So this is the correct answer, right? And then here, you'd like really to add feedback for your students. Try to add feedback. For incorrect answer, for example, you may say, please rethink about it again. Good luck. This is for incorrect. If you'd like them really to read something, to get more, so you can press here the link. It will guide him to any website. Or if you'd like really to share for them an episode from YouTube, you just click in here and then select the YouTube and the video from YouTube, and then you can put it in here, share it. Very simple. How to do that? For example, let us say YouTube. Let me go to the YouTube. Let us say here passive lecturing. Okay, you can select any of these, but you say don't share something that you have not really went through it. Okay, please. Okay, so then, for example, I'm gonna select this one. Okay, this one. خلاص, done. So if they answer this question incorrectly, so they will get this message, as well as they can follow that link for more information. See, sometimes there is no need really to do that. But I may say, suppose that I am asking them for 4 multiple choices. For example, if he's gonna select this, I'm gonna say, sorry, it's wrong because this and this and this. I can write it myself at home. And this one also because this and this, something like this, okay? Or you can refer to a link or an episode in there, right? So here also the correct answers. You'd like also to get a feedback. Excellent. Or, yeah. Sorry? Yeah. Yes.
Everywhere. I mean, mobile.
Yes. You can, yeah. Okay? So here, you'd like really to write something for them. Excellent. Or you'd like really to share YouTube episode in there for more information, or a link or something like that. That's fine, but also don't forget really to save it. See here, also you can put points. How many points for this question? Let us say 5 points or 2 points. And then you can add another question for 2 points or something like that. Okay? And then here, what I'm gonna do, see here? See? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send it, I'm gonna go to settings, and then shall I collect limit to 1, edit before? No, all of them no. Presentation, okay, show, see here, show link to submit another response. No, I need just one response. So, and here also I'm gonna write thank you, for example. But also here there is a very important one. If you'd like really your students to get a copy of that one, to get a copy. So make it always in here, and then save it. Okay, again, here, please, representation, it's okay, thank you. And then quizzes here, make it a quiz immediately after. And also they have to answer all of them, that's fine. That's it, done. So this is now, this is the link. This is the link. You can shorten the link, and then you can copy it if you like. Go to the monkey. Here, you can just paste it, and then create it, and then download it. Okay? Please answer this question. Please answer this question. Please answer this question. Please answer this question, because I'd like really you to know what kind of message that you will get. And also, by the way, you will get a copy of your answer from your email. You will get a message. Just submit and check your email. Immediately, a copy of that one. With all of them, with the correct answer if you did it wrongly. With the correct answer as well as with any additional material. Then student can save it in his email in there. Is it okay? How many? So I'll check in here. I'll check how many. So I'm gonna close this one. Shall I open it again? Shall I open it again? So you can scan this one, huh? Sorry? Yeah, I will. Okay. So, is it okay? Have you done it? This one? And you got the response? Submit. Please. Scan this one, and then try to fill the form. And see what kind of message that you will receive. Please. You got it? You got the message? Check your email. If you get the message, thank you, please check your email. Whether you receive an email of your feedback or not. You will. I'll give you 1 minute more, 1 minute only, because we have also 2 more activities, by the way. You got it? How much you got? 5?
Green.
Huh?
Green color.
means 5. Okay. And no, you can check your score, by the way. You can check your score.
On the
So-
here,
No.
Excellent.
Excellent means خلاص, it's okay. And also, okay, 5
5
out of 5.
yes.
And also you can check your email.
I check it, yes. That's it.
Yeah. So you can get all feedback from your email, right? So now, please close your box. Okay? And you are not allowed really to cheat from here and there. I'm just kidding. Okay? So let us go now to the quiz, please. There is another quiz. Okay? So here I have the responses. Please excuse me here. See, if you'd like really to save all the results, so here just generate the spreadsheet. Generate spreadsheet. And then you can see everything. Create. And then open. So all these guys got 5 out of 5 except 2 of them. That's fine. So I don't want to share this one, please. Okay, that's fine. So please now you have the activity or the exercise before the last. Please try to, now this is real test, by the way. Okay, I'd like really to see your understanding now. It's a quiz, small quiz. The activity number 11. Activity number 11. Please, I need the feedback from all of you, please. From all of you. Again, scan it. It's in your activity sheets. No, don't before.
This.
Not this one, this one. It's formative test. Huh? Okay, great. So means still closed, right? Okay, perfect. This is also, by the way, this is also how to control the feedback. For example, if I shared my handouts with my students, so they do have the link already at home, right? So they may answer the quiz at home. I don't want them really to be engaged in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it deactivated, and in the classroom I'm gonna activate it for them, and then I'm gonna close it. Is it okay? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go back. So it's formative quiz exam, or test. In here. So what I'm gonna do right now, it's accepting all the responses. The one before the last. It's not, okay, mashallah. The first respondent, and here is, let me appreciate his kind work. Again, the same guy. Mashallah. Appreciate it, many thanks. So also he got the correct answer. I'm not gonna share the the correct answer. You did it? No, please. Forget about it. So I'm gonna discard the Excel file, regardless of your results in there. Okay? He had a mistake. But I did not, okay, did I give you the chance, really, the opportunity to edit? No, I did not, right?
No,
So-
I read this correct. Not incorrect.
Oh, I see.
So
That's fine. It happened. Yeah, he got it already.
he will not give me a
No, you get it already. Is it okay? Okay. So 11 only? Only 11, shabab. You are not gonna leave without the feedback. By the way, if you feel that there is no need really to participate in such kind of activities, how can we encourage our students really to participate? You got my point. So I'm expecting really all of you to participate. There is no pain. Unless you don't have the barcode, you don't have the storage problem or something like this. Yeah, I do appreciate that. It's okay. Okay? So how many? Only 13? Shabab? Yeah, I need more, please. I need more. Okay? But also, as I told you, regarding results, I'm not going to show them. I'm not going to demonstrate them in here. Although I can create spreadsheet as I mentioned it there, and then you can get all the results of all of your students. For me, I do not prefer really to use those ones with grades to test my students. Unless you have a very large classroom, something like this, yeah, in this case, yes. But also, be careful, they may cheat from each other. Unless you are gonna shuffle all the questions in there. So 16 only, shabab? No, I need more, please. We need more. It's a single question. It's a single question, ya shabab. 17. طيب. Does any of you do not believe on getting such kind of feedback? And tell me why, because I'd like really to hear from your side. Or you are exhausted already, so I do appreciate that. If it is a matter of that you are already tired. Finished? 5? You have not? It's okay. Yeah, it happens. Finished? So, but only 18. So how many guys here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by, let us say 6 is 30, at least 30. 30 here also we have at least 10. So I suppose really to have at least 50%, ya shabab. 19. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. طيب. So I have also one more slide. One more slide really to be covered in here. No, so you did it again? Yeah, because I did not limit it to one response. You know why? Because you have to have Gmail, and I know that some of you do not have. That's fine. Right. Now, the logical step is what's next? What shall I do next? Right? So this is just to sum up. What shall I do next after this training program? The next, please try not to forget the goals for any activity. It's not just for the lecture. It's not just for the course. For any activity. When you go to design any activity, there should be some goals in your head. Please try really to remember them. They should be with you all the time. And then, please go ahead, run your experiment. Run your experiment. As I told you, it's an experiment. If this activity works for you, try to keep using it with some kind of improvement for sure. If it's not gonna work, خلاص. So try to use another one. Or try to gain from your colleagues' experiments in there. Think big, but start small. Start with small changes. Why? I don't want you really to get frustrated from the first day of your movement from here and there. Please. And also here, try to continue what's gonna work. And also here, try to add another additional activities. And also here, keep evaluate your teaching performance. Evaluate that one, either by your students or by yourself. You can ask yourself, okay, today, what did I do for my students? Ask yourself this question. What did I do for my student in here? And also, mistakes can help you a lot. Can guide you to the success, by the way. And also here, try to start to collaborate with your colleagues. Please, do you have any questions so far? Any question? Any question? No, still. Any question? Sorry? Okay, I can answer your question after that, please. Yeah. So that's fine. Do you have any question? You didn't have. So please, this is just for me. It's not for the deanship, by the way. I'd like just to say whether the activities that I tried my best really to include them in this activity, whether they are efficient or not. This is also has another take-home message. You know what? If you start implementing any activity, try to evaluate your student first, and then try to evaluate them after the activity to evaluate the efficiency of the activity, right? So please try to send me your feedback on the last survey. It's going to be the last class. Done? For the last one?
Yes, I did.
So we'll check. We'll check in here. No, it's okay. By the end, oh, mashallah, it's not this one. It should be the one of the things in here. It's the activity assessment D4. Yeah, how many? I have already 11. Can we make it 20 at least? It's up to you. Or if you are tired, you can do it at home. That's fine. So I'll leave it open. There, and you can scan that one if you feel that you cannot do it right now. That's fine as well, yani. Okay, but I'd like really to gain from you because I'm asking for some improvements, some suggestions, yani, some of your feedback. It's going to be for me. It's not going to be shared with the deanship or whatever in there. Okay. So this is the one. So after that. So I highly appreciate your kind attendance as well as your patience. Today, really, I disturb you a lot. I know that my voice is very high, but also I'd like really to get rid from such kind of cold weather in here, so that's why I tried really to move here and there. And also, it's a matter of to have a very active one. So I'm very, very sorry for any mistakes or any sort of inconvenience or something like that. And also, I highly appreciate your kind attendance. And this is my email. If you'd like really to contact me anytime, so you are more than welcome. So highly appreciate it, and many thanks.